by the exciting new pop star, Stanky.
This is Alva's family vlog, and we love Stanky!
Woo!
Mo, please play Stanky's song one more time.
Pay to play is not in my saved music. Would you like to buy it?
Yes! No, it's a bit expensive, and I'm almost out of pocket money.
Aw.
Wait! Here's a website where I can download it for free.
Free? Woohoo!
Nessa, downloading things for free seems harmless, but it's actually bad for the artist. It's the same as stealing from Stanky.
Pop stars earn loads of money. One free download won't make a difference to them.
I wonder what they do in Gizmo.
Mo, go, Gizmo!
Hello, Uli Helper. What's going on?
You're just in time! Party time! Uli helpers do a wonderful job helping everyone to stay healthy. So, what better thank you is there than an Uli-rific party?
I'm Snee-Zee, and I support the Uli Helpers!
I wish Snee-Zee was still making music, whoever he is.
Snee-Zee is Uli Bean's secret pop star identity.
Shh! Mo!
Please give generously so we can organize the best party ever. Oh, look! Oh, wow! Oh, my goodness!
I really want to help the Uli Helpers. They were so kind when I was sick. Aha! Be right back.
Thank you. Help the Uli Helpers?
I don't have Gizbits, but I have these balloons. Can I donate them?
Yes. Every donation helps, and these will look great at the party. Huh? Whoa! Are they for the party?
What? No, I'm going to sell all my things and donate the money to the party fund.
It appears you dropped your sock, your lamp, your toothbrush.
What? Oh, no. I'm not sure anyone would want to buy a used toothbrush, Uli Bean. And where will you sleep if you sell your bed?
Those are good points, Alva.
May I suggest you sell things that Ulis want and that you won't need again in the future?
Well, actually, there is one other thing that I could sell.
Huh?
A brand new Snee-Zee song.
Really? So you want to start being a pop star again?
I wouldn't have to. The song is already recorded. I could just release it on the Ulinet.
That's a great idea. Everyone would want to buy it and you would make so much money for the helpers.
I keep the recording in my bedside locker at home. Actually, here. Oh no! The drawer is open. Oh, the recording is gone.
You must have dropped it. Let's find it before someone else does.
Huh? Oh, my troll. Ah, it's a new Snee-Zee song.
Yes! Let's release it with all the Gizbits going to us!
That was the only copy of my song. Now no one will ever hear it.
Uli Bean, why didn't you tell me you were releasing a new song?
Shh!
I mean, why didn't you tell me Snee-Zee was releasing a new song? And why are you letting those trolls sell it? It's so expensive. I've no Gizbits left for the Uli helpers.
I didn't, and I'm not. The trolls found my song and are selling it without my permission.
Oh, I feel so bad. I'm going to find Mayor Garth and donate my music player to the Uli helpers.
Great idea. You must feel terrible about this, Uli Bean. Let me talk to them.